Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vitesse Communication. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to extract and install an MTK USB driver. In my previous video, I've tell you what USB driver is all about, and I've give you different type of USB driver. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to extract and install an MTK USB driver. So if you haven't watched that my video on what USB driver are, please look down in the description button so that you will watch that video. You will follow the link to watch that video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install an MTK USB driver. This MTK USB driver allows the system to communicate with a Tecno phone or an Infinix phone or an MTK related phone, so that you can flash the system, or you can dictate, the system can dictate the phone so that you can use it for transfer or any other software program. So for you to start to extract it, you need to right click in your laptop. As you have right click, you come down to this extract to MTK. You tap it. So you are seeing it has started reading. As you can see, you have already extracted it. When it's like this, it is in a WinRAR format. As you can see, it have 23 MB, but when you extract it to the RAID folder, you will see it. How many MB does it have? It have 33 MB. So with this format, so you can install it to your system. So let's install it. Still right click, you open, you still come down again, still do the same thing. You can still open it. You come down to Android Win. You can double click it. Come here to installer. Still double click it. You come here to, you check your system. If you're having a system of 64-bit, you can still click it. If you still have the one of 64 gig, you can still install it. But me, my own is 32-bit. Let me just take this one. Yes, they say you need to go to setting. So that is just how to install an MTK USB driver. Thank you.